come if you have demolished the market. Anytime from now, children will be asked to come and pay their school fees. Are we shifting the burden to the wretched women already? And that is why this press conference needs to go a long way so that the truth can be told. On our own parts, we have taken the pains to write a 3-page letter to the governor of Lagos State, appealing to him that it is never too late for the state agencies to draw back. This is not the time to demolish. This is one demolition too many. As you have been told, some people are already in hospital. If this tradition goes on, there will be more casualties. This is not the time to send people to early grave. Nobody is complaining about modernization or digitalization of this market. Those running the market for decades have been doing self-improvement. Let self-improvement goes on so that life can be stable and income can be assured, so that stability can be in the state. The issue goes beyond whether you are APC or you are not APC. The issue is that you are a human being. Some of us that own cars, if we don't come here, we are not comfortable. We buy our parts here. Sometimes we even order. We only call and ask the market people to bring the parts to our house to fix. We are contented with the market. The market, no peace until Thursday. Since Thursday, tension has been high. And I feel we should help and help ourselves. By helping, we have written the governor. By the grace of God, we will do all follow-up to ensure that the governor comes to the head of the market as soon as possible. Interestingly, this is 2025. This is not the time to be adding stress to the already stress we have. So I am appealing to the media, please help us to publicize this. This is just one of the numerous steps we are going to take to ensure that justice is recognized. And you have been told, you have heard, there is no crime in modernization, but there is crime catching people unawares. No public notice, personal properties were destroyed, collective properties were brought down at daylight with armed men, and some people allege they were assaulted, they were macheted. It is unjust and unfair. God does not want injustice. And whoever has the power to promote peace, stability should not hesitate. What Jakonde has done should not be allowed to die prematurely. The governor of Lagos State must promote peace, understanding in this Owode Onirin. Thank you. Shina Loremiko is my name.
We are beckoning for the leadership of this nation, our president, Bola Ahmed Tinubu. All our leaders, please, arise to our matter. We people are here, we are suffering, and since this demolition has started, many have lost many of their goods. Over 100 millions have been lost. Somebody offloaded a market of 24 million, and within 1 hour, they demolished everything. Please, we are begging on our leaders to rise to the occasion. People are here suffering. They are trying to destroy what people have labored for. Please, we are beckoning on our leaders, the governor of this state, and all members of assembly and the speaker. Please, rise up to our occasion. Owode Onirin is crying. We are crying on to people for help now. Don't allow this boy to demolish us. Dele or Shinowo has been putting its best to take us out of this place. Please, governor, the speaker, House of Assemblies, and all that are involved, the commissioners for lands, please rise to our occasion. This place was allocated to us by a governor. It's allocated for us. We built it by our effort, not by governor effort. But since we have been here, they can testify that this is the only market that arose that be Agboyi, as whole as it is, we gave them 95% of their vote. They can testify to it. 95% of their vote is coming for this market. And if we can do this for you, it's time to pay us back. Please, by the grace of God, we are begging on you people to do what? To help us.
ṣe nǹkan ẹ̀ máa sọ fún ẹ pé ẹ ṣe sùúrù àwọn tí ẹ bá fẹ́ bá sọ̀rọ̀ tó ju àwa yìí lọ wọ́n wà wọ́n ní bí àwọn wo mo fún wọn ní nọ́mbà Alhaji Àríyọ̀ mo dẹ̀ fún wọn ní nọ́mbà Bàbá Koko bẹ̀tìgbà tó ń tẹ nọ́mbà Bàbá Koko yẹn lórí fóònù wọn ó gbé Bàbá Kwara jáde ọ̀rọ̀ bí n sọ yẹn àwọn ní Bàbá Kwara Ajégúnlẹ̀ ni nídìí èyí wọ́n láwọn máa pè wọ́n àwa kúrò níbẹ̀ bẹ̀tì láti ìgbà yẹn tí wọ́n ti pe Alhaji àgbọ̀n kankan ìgbà tá a rí pé n tó ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí ó wá ṣẹlẹ̀ báyìí pé wọ́n wo ìbí kò dẹ̀ nídìí kankan àdẹ̀bẹ́ni kankan jà lọ́jà yìí ju wípé gbogbo ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ tá a bá máa gbé à ń láti lọ bá àwọn olófin látòrí àwọn human rights tó fi dórí lọ́ọ̀yà kò sí tẹ́ máa kọ́ béèrè lọ́wọ́ wa pé ìwé ọjà wa ìwé dà ìwé ọjà wa ni wọ́n béèrè ní ọwọ́ wa lọ́tí èyí nídìí èyí a pè gbogbo àwọn alàgbà ní gbogbo Lagos State pátá kí wọ́n dìde wọ́n bá wa dá sí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu kí wọ́n dìde wọ́n bá wa dá sọ̀rọ̀ yìí Délé Ọ̀sìnlọ́wọ̀ gan náà kó náà ronúpìwàdà kó náà bá wa dá sí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ẹ wo Délé Ọ̀sìnlọ́wọ̀ ó nìyí ṣe ti rí tó bá ti gbé anything wá pé táwọn fẹ́ nu òṣèlú bánà àwa la ṣe fúnra wa fún bánà tẹ̀ rí àwa la ṣe fún Délé Ọ̀sìnlọ́wọ̀ fúnra wa nítorí pé APC member dẹ̀ ni wá ṣùgbọ́n náà ó ti fẹ́ bà APC jẹ́ mọ́ àwọn tán ní APC ó ti fẹ́ bàjẹ́ lé wọn lórí ó ti fẹ́ bà ṣe Tinubu jẹ́ o ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ dákun akẹ́gbàjáre o ẹ̀yin human rights ẹ̀yin lọ́ọ̀yà gbogbo ẹ̀yin agbófinró ẹ wá gbà wá o èèyàn tó ti kú níbi tí wọ́n wó yìí wọ́n ti pọ̀ o ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ dákun ilé ẹ̀tọ́ ni ẹlòmíì dẹ̀ ti bàjẹ́ bó ṣe rí ni ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ dákun orúkọ mi ni Alhaji Chief Dr. Wasiu Awoko.